How to convert iPhone video to slow motion. iPhone doesn't have inbuilt slow motion edit option, but I will tell you a small trick. First up, you'll need an iMovie. Most iPhones come with it pre-installed. If you've removed it, just head to the App Store, search for iMovie, and reinstall it. It's free. Once iMovie is installed, open it up. You'll see an option to create a new movie project. Tap on Movie. Now, it's time to import your video. Choose the video you want to slow down from your library. I'm using this waterfall video. To slow down your video, tap on it in the timeline. You'll see several editing options appear below. Look for a speedometer tool. Tap it, and you'll see a slider that adjusts the speed. Drag the slider to the left to reduce the speed. You can slow it down to half speed, quarter speed, or whatever suits your video. As you adjust, you'll see the changes in real time. Remember, slowing down the video also slows down the audio, which might affect the sound quality. Play around with it until you find the perfect balance for your needs. You can preview the slowed down video right in iMovie. If it's not perfect, keep adjusting the slider until it looks just right. Tap Done, then hit the Share button. Choose Save Video to export and save it to your camera roll. Now, go back to the photo gallery to check exported video. And that's all there is to it.